we have discussed 11 type of algebraic integration. Now we will discuss trigonometric integration. So here we are discussing type 1. Type 1 is what? Integration of dx divided by a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Okay, if c is 0, then it will become integration of dx divided by a sin x plus b cos x. If here b is 0, then it will become integration of dx divided by a sin x plus c. And here if a is 0, then it will become integration of dx divided by a cos x plus c. Then how to integrate? So whenever denominator is coming like that, then what you will do, instead of sin x, you will put 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So sin x you are converting in terms of tan. Similarly, cos x also you will convert in terms of tan. So cos x equal to what you write? 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay. So 1 plus tan square x by 2 we can write secant square x by 2. Okay. So here tan x by 2 we will take as t. So that secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2 dx, this will become dt. So we have to convert everything first in terms of tan, then we will take tan x by 2 as what? T, so that it will become simple integration. For that we are taking one example. So example is, suppose we want to integrate integration of dx divided by 3 sin x plus 4. Suppose we want to integrate this one. So how to integrate? So here what we will do, sin x equal to what we write? 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So this will become what? Dx divided by 3. Instead of sin x, what do we write? 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 4. So if you take LCM here, so what will come here? Integration of dx divided by, this will come out 6 tan x by 2 plus 4 plus 4 tan square x by 2, and denominator what will come? 1 plus tan square x by 2, that will come out secant square x by 2. So this one we can write integration of secant square x by 2 dx divided by, this will come out 4 tan square x by 2 plus 6 tan x by 2 plus 4. Now here what we will do, tan x by 2 we will take what? T. So secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2 dx will become dt. So from here secant square x by 2 dx will come out, 2 will come this side. From here secant square x by 2 dx we can write 2 dt. So this integration what will become? 2 into dt divided by 4 t square plus 6t plus 4. Okay, so what we will do here, we will take 4 common. So 1 by 2 will come, integration of dt divided by, if I take 4 common, what will come here? T square plus 3 by 2 t plus 1. Now this one we will make perfect square. Okay, so for that what we will do, 1 by 2 integration of dt divided by, this will become what? T plus 3 by 4 whole square. So if we expand this one, what will come? T square plus 2 times t into 3 by 4. So this will come 2 times 3 by 4, that means 3 by 2 will come into t plus 9 by 4. So we have to subtract here what? Minus 9 by 4 plus 1. So this come out 1 by 2 integration of dt divided by t plus 3 by 4 whole square. And if you take LCM, so what will come? LCM is what? 4. So this will come out minus 5 by 4. Okay, so here we will use formula. So this 5 by 4 we can add what? Root over 5 by 4 whole square. So this will come out 1 by 2. 1 by 2a. A is what? Root 5 divided by 2. ln modulus of t plus 3 by 4 minus root 5 divided by 2 divided by t plus 3 by 4 plus root 5 divided by 2 plus c. Okay, and what is t value? T value we have taken what? 10x by 2. So if you put 10x by 2, what will come here? Here 2 getting cancelled. 1 by 2 root 5 ln modulus of 10x by 2 plus 3 by 4 minus root 5 by 2 modulus and 10x by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus root 5 by 2 plus c. This is your answer. So like that we have to solve these type of problems.